I'll quickly go to the ABC analysis. जब कभी भी हम inventory control की बात करते हैं तो what should be the starting point? So analysis का. So I always prefer to let us have some ABC analysis of inventory which will guide us कि हमको inventory control कैसे करना है. So what is the ABC analysis? So if you know what is the 80-20 rule or Pareto rule, जो हमको बताता है कि 80% of your results will be governed by 20% of the causes. So this is basically the rule that ABC analysis follows. In our quality module, which will be taken afterwards, we will be detailed speaking about the Pareto analysis and thing. But to start off with, ABC analysis basically uses this principle. The idea is basically to focus on critical few and not on trivial many. जो हमारे लिए critical items है inventory में, which are basically costing us more, we should have better control for those items rather than controlling all of the items which are present in our inventory management. So ये ABC analysis हमको क्या बताता है? It basically talks about the annual rupee volume of an item. That is कि अपना annual demand कितना है multiplied by its cost per unit. So entire ABC analysis is basically based upon this particular rupee volume of an item. So it categorized basically inventory into the three different segments, which is called as a class A item, class B item, and class C items. So what are my class items? Class A item basically represents 70 to 80% of the total inventory cost. But in terms of number, that might be only 15% of the total inventory items. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल लिया है. Suppose I have 200 items in my inventory. Items as in number of items. And my total inventory annual rupee volume is 50 lakhs. तो A category item में ideally कितने items आने वाले हैं? तो near about 15%. That is, in terms of number, only 30 items will come. However, it will contribute around 35 to 40 lakhs out of those 50 lakhs inventory. So A category item basically represent the critical few. Similarly, what is my class B items? Class B items are basically represents 15 to 20% of the total rupee value. And in terms of number of items, this account for around 30% of the total inventory. So इसी का example हम लेंगे अगर मेरे पास 200 items है inventory में. So in terms of a number, there will be around 60 items which will fall under this category. In terms of a value, it will be blocking around 7.5 to 12.5 lakhs of my inventory. Then I will go to the class C items, which are trivial many. वो items बहुत सारे हो गए, लेकिन in terms of a value, it will only contribute to the 5% of the total rupee volume. इसी example में probably in terms of a cost, it will only go for 2.5 lakhs, but number of items will be 100 to 120 items. तो देखा जाए तो A, B, C, it is also somebody refers it as an always better control. But for analysis, we always call it as an ABC analysis. A being an items which are few in numbers but contribute to maximum amount of inventory. B, which are probably in between, contributing to 15% of inventory. And C is basically large number of items but contributing very less in terms of a value of a inventory. बहुत बार ऐसे सवाल पूछा जाता है कि these percentage always fix, whether it is always fixed 60%, 15% or 5%. Not necessarily, but more or less it falls into that particular range. That's why we always prefer to suggest A category are 70 to 80%, B are 15 to 25, and C are basically 5%. So whenever आप जब कभी भी inventory का project initiate करोगे, I will always prefer कि आप start कीजिए ABC analysis से. That will give you an exact picture of what inventory you have in hand and under which category. Then A category items को हम control कैसे करें, B category items को हम control कैसे करें. जैसे कि traditional approach हमको बताता है कि A category को आपको ज़्यादा tighten control करना है. A category item को आपका ज़्यादा secure area में रखना है. Forecasting of class A items should have be more accurate. Class A item need to be counted frequently, probably once in a month. B items need to be counted less, probably once in a quarter, and C items can be counted after 6 months. However, in lean we do not endorse this क्योंकि there is nothing like once a month or once a quarter. It should be on your fingers कि inventory का data exactly कितना है, inventory कितने आपके पास है. So what this is a little bit about ABC analysis.